Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Redux Toolkit. So today we are going to learn about the three core concepts of the Redux Toolkit. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So Redux Toolkit simplifies and streamlines the management of the state in the Redux-based application by introducing the three core concepts, that is slices, reducers and the config store. Slices are the fundamental concept in the Redux toolkit. A slice is a self-contained module that includes the definition of a reducer and the set of action creators for the specific part of the application state. Slices allow you to organize your Redux code into a manageable pieces, make it easier to work with. Reducers, so Immer is a library used in the Redux toolkit to simplify the process of updating the state in reducers. With Immer, you can write the reducer logic in a more intuitive, mutable style, even though thou Redux enforces immutability. This results in a cleaner and the more readable code, as don't need to create the deep copies of the state object when making the updates. Next one is configure store. Okay, Redux Toolkit provides a function called the configure store that simplifies the setup of your Redux store. It includes sensible defaults for the store configuration such as applying middleware, setting up the Redux DevTools extensions. This reduces the amount of boilerplate code you need to write while creating the store. Okay. So let's explore the three concepts in the more in details. Then you get to know about much more. Slice is created using the create slice. Okay, how we are going to create the slices with the help of the create slice function in the Redux toolkit. It defines a piece of the application state, including the initial state. Okay, so here you can see that it defines the piece of the application state. Okay, so you have the initial state also, initial state including its initial state. Okay, reducer functions. Okay, reduces functions and the action creators. Okay, so they have the action creators also. Slices help organize and encapsulate related pieces of the state and the logic that modifies them. So here you can see that example of the slices, and here we have export that counter slice dot reducer. Then we have a actions increment and the decrement. You can see that counter slice dot actions. So these are your actions, right? Next we have a counter slice defines a slice for the counter feature. So you can see that this counter slice is defines a slice for the counter feature. So feature, what is increment or decrement of the counter with initial state and the two reducer functions. So we have a two reducer functions, increment and the decrement. It also provides the action creators like the increment and the decrement. You can see that action creators, increment and the decrement. Okay, then we have a reducers. Okay, Emmer is a key part of the Redux toolkit and simplifies the process of updating the state in the reducers. Instead of needing to create a deep copies of the state, you can write the reducer logic as if you are directly modifying the state. Emmer takes care of the producing the new state without the mutation. Okay, so here you can see that the reduces part. Okay, so for instance, the reducers for the counter slice we defined earlier uses the Immer under the hood. So here you can see that the reducers, we have the increment, then we have a state. Okay, return the state plus increment, then it's return the state minus decrement. Okay, you can see that the code appears to be directly modified the state object, even though it's actually producing a new state without the mutation. So here you can see that the increment, the state, whether you want return a new state based on the return based on the change, and return the new state based on the change. So if there is a decrement, there is a increment. Okay, counter update. Next we have the configure store. Okay, so this is how we are the configure store function provides by the Redux toolkit simplifies the setup of your Redux store. It includes sensible defaults for the various store configuration options such as applying middlewares. Okay, then we have enabling the Redux DevTools extensions and setting up the other enhancers. You can customize the store configuration as needed, but the Redux toolkit reduces the initial complexity of the store setup. How to set up the store? Very easy in the Redux toolkit. So here you can see that simple configure the store. So here we have a configure store. These are your slices, counter slices, and this is your reducer store counter, and you can add more slices over here. Okay, this is store.js. This is the configuration part, right? So here you can see that we can mention the how many reducers you slices you have. Okay, slices slash reducers you have, so you can mention it over here. Okay, these three core concept slices, email reducers, and the configure store are the heart of the Redux toolkit and are designed to simplify, improve the development experience when using the Redux for the state management in your applications. Okay, I hope you understand what exactly the three of them. We are elaborating more in detail about the how it is applied and how it is used in the coming videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.